Yeah.
Yeah.
I like to say, the boys will go back to the cell and our boys power! Power!
kole aku jamal ka sotole nim protest be kala always anu comme hani kabi public order atni so bari seso I'm sure for ali ajele comme nim public order abe ka kanale obstacle lati ku jamal la mune malla planti towards this public order act mi alon ko ka tuko wala man sakuna ka tuko wala kamba
Nake nim public order menda meda sanji muan ndel mera nim public order act ko kala la kurai falling ganda jam diri ya jamela wa kabring nim government sita 2017 ndel ngam mitino menke pour ka dibitol karandi police government officials knew about public order act afumatala nga you know ndefanga policy briefs afele about the public order act kadi deputy wala pour public order act abelari nyame melon ko tubabol le anati jan 1961 birin gambe be independent kuo kono tubabol ya dana pour ka balang gambe nol ye independent nyininka pour gambe nol le balang memman die kume de be bangola ko ye banana so tubabol colonialism le nyi dada pour ka gambe nol ka mol city so ya dada nyame 1961 abumba beba nyama le fombe di 2025 menta mi da sanji ta woro ya ni falindiri kata je ya jamela wato 2009 ay falindrol kije tuka akwo clear ka public order kaka agina kolea but den ngaw campaign kele advocacy kele and right now you know na okay yeah nga fonko kele pour public order falling yaje ay ke nyala me alonko wala sahaya ani say ma soto no nyi government me alonko Mr. Barrow bram candidate in 2016 ay manifesto safe ala manifesto kono akona gagneta kala president sanji kari woro kono luwal mel be human rights and democracy na marsa e tinya abo luwal be falina ay konti wo luwal ay folon mel konti je wala public order act yo sanji kono da felendi Mr. Baromo yaje bari saying afele diki ka public order act kan ka gambenol city because ala government comme ya jamela government comme colonial government corrupt government yaje corrupt government lo ilafta tilimbali yale kala ni banko kan yaje ka bankura na fulo pisir pasara na do ko mendile ta kala ilafta ke munafa feo fendinga ite sonna tilin to nya tama so ni banku din ko be fala to ye ni lual use ka
so ye na jele ko ta kunti mal kele nana ka activism la ana bodi mo tayi ko karola utumonu activism sabo seso albenu nyame anin dia be nyari because bi ngajele forninke jamal be finti kana ni ko man ni kalo ka balambaya yitandi certain decision la man sakunda ni menkana iba compare no nyadile kunu abenu nyame anin bi ye trend ya bita ka nyadile
so men kuma ta ka senel mol ni me ya jame wato jibe activism jama bebe bantale because ntel be sitale biri ya jamme bankota 1994 jandi mol ba faham la ko dictatorship be dungam bankoka mol man organize yelo ka balan tilimbal yal melalo ka be keka
We come outside, so let's wait for the judgment for today. Hopefully there is high hope that the bail will be accepted. We are hopeful that the police prosecution are not going to reject the bail or object the bail, and the magistrate now will do the needful to have these people released. So let's keep calm. I will always say, if we are angry, we are supposed to be angry. Our people are in mile 2, they are not eating, they are sick, and there is no medication. And nobody should sleep at home, let that happen.
Sure.
But you see, in a position of correcting a wrong, we can never be wrong. I hope you understand. Nobody is scared to be arrested. They can take us back to their prison cells and they can take us back to Comunicado. We will survive until they kill us. This country will be free. Let's keep collected. Let's leave the premises. We cannot give them any opportunity to say the law. The moment we give them an opportunity to say the law, they weaken us. Let them continue to unlawfully harass, arrest, jail and abuse us until we set the law straight and we set this country straight. So let's keep calm. We'll keep you updated from the courthouse, but hopefully we'll receive our boys today, and what will happen next, we'll discuss that. Are we okay? Yes. Power to the people.
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 Thank you. Thank you.
Event that we escaped the bail, in an event that we flew out of the country. So the person that bailed us, for the people that bailed us, will be the one to pay the 25,000 to the court. So that is our bail condition. That was the condition that was applied.
Some might say that you guys didn't accept that bail because your colleagues who are on court right now have been offered the same chance. They rejected it because they believe they were unlawfully arrested. But you guys came out in solidarity with them. You are also arrested. Then you did not follow their footsteps. Instead, you choose another pathway.
Just like I said, that we cannot all be behind bars. We really should have people out here who are going to re-strategize, rearrange, and make sure that the people are aware. I was in. Omar Saibo was in. Almost all members that can relate the information to the people of the Gambia are in. We cannot afford that to happen. If that happens, that is the absolute, let's say, the natural death of Ghana. And the Gambian people cannot afford that. And one thing also is there, we were not only men that were arrested. You can understand that we have more than 6 female arrested with us. Yes. If it is only for men, we don't have a problem with that. But we cannot also have female in custody when we have opportunities to bring them out on bail. And they were saying, they were very brave. Just like I said, if some of you are following my Facebook, I said, anytime they arrest us, you give birth to a fighter that will never relent. Those ladies were reluctant. They said they are not going to take the bail until and unless they saw me and Omar Saibu. That we told them we have to take the bail. We cannot all be behind bars. Let's strategize. Let's go out. Let's make sure that everything is coordinated and we come again. So that is why we are here, and that is why we took the bail, and that is why we accept the bail conditions. Yeah. Thank you. All right.
Yes, so thank them the moment be mile to be the call na report bo de ko mo nani be ko mo yalon ko be mo strike la ko len say be strike kan ning ko le man domro ko bi sama mile 2 na ragal report so franco Ibrahima Keita is one of them yalon ko ati high blood pressure di sante ngay attaque le sodo ya samba clinico be prison je way bori fonto jabe lari je nyale bod na timo sa wi facilitating ka boro san ka samba mile 2 ya yala case man ini situation report so follow bon mo ko dron golen ko man sa kunday yin mo sigala ye samba quelle complication le bela sasa le bela mo la sasa le nyami yo tu mala ki mo le telephone le tukni to communicado man do mo ana asma ama gastric patient so inyata ke hakilo to bage nin ku kun nin kede mo mani na jam man sa bulo la je because e boka mo siga klimbali yaka ye sorom because symbole be bulo ko an o sembo mo le adila banko dum le o sembo dila o nyon klimbali ya man sodo o nyon tajinde ya man sodo andu sanni mo wani fula ni aje mo ka fa nyoma janga ya aje mo yone 16 ka nyi bira ni yalle andu mo ka wala kon andu banko dum ma ni sodo fem fen ni kede mo mani be mai president Adama Barrow anala ma sa ko da bulo lo
So one final question. Most of the time, you race coming Yemen Muta, don't get Gator Man Kenya. You come all day, come and comment one and go. Yalo man Kenya, I'm gonna make a tiny plan.
I find it very difficult. Muta Kolia goes to the home most of the judge. Yalo Haramadi Yamu Hakilo and in Palafa. Neither see there a so on a mode of figure because I nyanto so. I go nyanto exercise Kayamuta ala Sasa Botman G. Ida man face so the for a foka for a nyata si so ko o manke balafa ya da matre o mu hormante yale anu mo nyata ke ko ni ko divergent view in a democracy ma fo timbaliani diam
Baraka.
The magistrate will do the right thing to have them released. If they are not released, the next communication will be done. Inshallah.
Mo nara jang nara bangko le nara bangko dingol le nara bangko dingol le mudala so wolen do fana basic so It's unfortunate that Gambia people in the struggle, the Galan members, the Gonsa Papa members, Walla Mudata, and from the Ever Friends of the Walla Kumandra Pura Puru, Yentari for Dani, so Yemuta. So, Yemuta, Yamosiara, so the Lago, Yemuta Kaminga, if you get some mile 2, carry mile 2, pull me on the Mandara, so more than a few like. So, Kula get a jump for Narajan Konya on Monday, a lot of chaos being big and a jump. So, Okola. Team on the banda, and another team on Ayako, look at you some for Kerryman on the fort. Karo Minkana, now 2 years time, the Nana Young, other mile to, Umkodi and Motano. So, Jala member, because of member in Bay Banda, and the reference for us, founders in Bay Banda, and I can go on the fort, where I'm Murna, Dragna, Kodi, bring up Kodi. Being also the someone I've been talking about my children, and the mother from King of Wokuman, Kumoya, and but the lemon can look on Nimban could not live in the American dollar food, I'm going to go for this on the young Ibadan, young, all the Wokuman, and also that is so. So, Namin Kajava, Yarin the Kicker, Karen the Kelale, Letter Jawada, and your man Naja follow. Planning here in Arkum, Laftala, Kedonia, Go free. Another bowl now, one more year will know. Arakela chaos, Arakela virus, Gonia, Molka Valumo, was gave us some of my children. But winning bowl Narayalo, hearing at the level movement. Bogada Molko Minkata, Domor Sambola, so Domoro, Gamexola, Domoro Midaje, Gamenola de Marocan, Ibe Domoro Sede Joseph. But Ben Daraje, it will be come told me for your information on the Moloka on the strike. And Ben Daraje Kumia Fonele, even a Ben Daraje confirm all from Antaraje, and Minnesole, Naga in the public promote along Gombe Kerry, and I get publicly, move on the crowd. So this is the order. Nimbem could make a you'll be seeing mile to let Ladriango, Emmanuel Tarage. So, Prie Bula is Sailor Soko.
It's a
academy da janne mol fanga finde ga press ko fanga do mo tay mo nyande kala do goge de mol commande ya ko kaja bande bar fo mol finde la kan fatan de ko ba ko kaja la o ga ni mol ga fa ide la audition ma nge organic audition da ma nge genuine audition because mol la kan fa wala ne audition ota birin force tengo leaders assess kara game na force protest ay ara commission holonde ni fanan kara mi don commande ko rege so masa kunna mani ne bad la fo banko dingol finti yana la mi donke nim banko dingol le voice for rek masa yanda akla bari banko mo bele tade mo be min nara jam min ka findi min kana jan soldati la bele fe mela pro gambel tañato so nadra gambel tañato wole do fana sindi je wole ngani yobe do fana kono nim banko dingol ko bide internet do ko leadal jandi ka findo commencé internet tiyo min marta ko la pura min ko e ko mandi ya banko dingol be nyene fokam ala kala nyaari la ya ni pour mo be do sotna so
ya fo ila diya mo kono ko eta no mal tule ni ñoo biral tata la ñi mol minul yalla ko yolle mo tedi fo alni nga ñojele fo alen ilan kiso ñabe je ñaade
anen dala je nke jele jew ka nen dala je nke jele amanke mbuge bana mimbi je mbuge be je no sinya kile be na dala je nombala ka je ta ota kon don tay mo nombala ka je da sam tay mo so kan telephone ni ngala ni nado ala fa ka jumana je wol kamana na lesto dila so boys all they are in a good spirit mo bebe kulne mo bebe jambariya ka je konole mo be fatiyani jele karim la koy be yi gom gomol sodo ko mi fini ni banga e mam mo fay ma suñaro ke bayri bangu dim pole fini banda so the spirit is still there
Kamu ada di question yo la wala ki maaleykum salaam maa ngi fay na la man maa ngi turé Ibrahima waaye ñu ma woowee Flex dañ ñëw rek comme ni ko dee defee rek ñëw support youth si ñëw support youth si bugg a dëkk bi def kanam xam nga ñëw support youth si nga xam ne dañ am vision bu correct pour dëkk bi waaw soo déggee ma wala loolu most of the time ni jëreen defoon ne gala la waaye youth yi yëpp amul gala amul lii amul youth fi ñëw yëpp ñëpp for the betterment of Gambia moo tax ñu ñëw fi so maa ngi nuyu youth fi taaw yëpp
keroog ñëwoon ngeen fi li nga xamante ne seen xarit yoo xamante ne dafa nekk ak ngeen ñëw foofu ne di nga ko béy bi suñu daf doon dugal.
Wow.
But it was so unfortunate after some people and as youth we wanted.
Wow.
What was the feeling like in that day?
xam nga olof daf dee wax dafa wax benn wax mu ne kuy sàcca suy ut doole mu sa gis loolu nit ku sàcca suy ut doole na sàcca su bokkee si ut bi doole mu sa gis ñun sàcca ñun xam nañ pour gars am ko fii xanaa mu nekk comme yàlla wàccare because ñun xam nañ ñu fa demee because war ñoo jàpp gars yi sax at the first place ok ñi tii dañ dee wax ne gaa leen demoon Pira pour lan jee pétition su ma nee pétition sax dafa xaw a rëy pour nit ñi ñu understand ko dañ demoon Pira pour joxe leta daa ma woowee ko noonu pour joxe leta loolu rek ñu téye gaay ok yeneen ñu ret de bu leen àpp ne buñ defee luñ def fii ba pare am na ñu si doon dem Banjul dox rek di dem dox rek ñu arrest la ngir dox xanaa léegi suñ tàggee ne koo teg suñ soldat si su ñoo dem wala lan la dox rek ñu arrest la mbaa man sax ni ma taawee fii sax duñ ma arrest wala ñu taaw fii sax because it doesn't make any sense ni kuy dox nga arrest ko you are not lawful am lawful arrest him hello hi arrest him suma boobu dafa miti arrest him ak bi Banjul la nekk arrest him arrest ba pare lu si gën a doy waar moo nekk police yi especially PIU yi ñoom suñ dee ñëw si façon peaceful gathering dañ dee pare comme kuy dem woo dañ dee pare comme kuy dem woo dañ dee bëgg a intimider nit yi di leen xool yeneen bët nit yi ragaluñ gars yi xoolal dañ dee dem kama comme nit yi dañ dee dem kama dañoo seben dañoo doot dañoo def lu neex so lu tax ñuy ragal gars yi lu nit def ñu ko def ñangal bu gars yi ñangal suñ ñangalee ñun tam mën nañoo ñangal ba pare lu si gën a saat moo nekk da nga nekk PIU officer dëgg la nga ñëw nga dóor nit yi tegaas nit yi ba pare xam nga lu gën a fani doo fanaan si barak bi de da ngaa ñibbi ba si kër yi Talinding Kootu Fajiko na nga def fanaan foo def fanaan si civilian yi foofu nga def fanaan sa landlord bi sa civilian la yow nga jógee di dóor nit yi yow soo moo tax soo solee uniforme bu dee foog ne comme yow above everybody tey gis nañ fi góor ñemam nañ góor soo déggee turi góor fi kenn du fi nekk ana mu tey dee na mu ngi si suuf ren naa soo demee si bàmmeelam ña nga fay fekk lii ana Jesus Esa Badji criminel bu ko nee 2 minutes mu génneel ana mu dee na soo demee tey si bàmmeelam lii nga fay fekk léegi ñan ñooy ñeneen yi ñu bëgg a tiyagaas nit yi benn yoon ñaar tiyagaas nga tiyagaas xale bu nga xam ne ni sax less than 2 months so ñu war ñu la ñu la gis si loolu ma ne ko ne xale boobu dafa war a xam ne lii moo nekk welcome to Gambia nga juru balaa nga am 2 months bu ko ñu tiyagaas léegi mu mos bu ñu expect lii su ñëwee wala su rek am di ñëw moo gaa ne isi max gas max pour next time
dem na ba ñi nga xamante ne ñoo nekk daan na daan baax the likes of Killa is and the rest ñu ngi nii si ñoo xamante moo nekk bi nga demee ba xam ni yaa dégg loolu what was the feeling like most of the time yéen la yéen ñëpp yéen a ngi di dellu seen biir kër yi and you continue with your life but those people seen access to nit yi boobu amuñu ko.
man maa ngi jógee Maytu maa ngi dem Maytu di check Ibrahima Jatta mooy borom Gofo Gambia maa ngi check Killa Is gom sa boppa maa ngi check Gaynako mooy Flex ñoom ñëpp suma brothers lañ waaye pour ma wax dara those people are heroes ñooñu nekkul jigéen bro ñooñu faale wuñu ñooñu dee ok man dama def foofu sama foo ne comme ñii sax mooy ñooñu gars yi ñooñu nekkul jigéen de ñooñu lu gars yi di taxawal dañ ko ñeme gars dañ pare taxawal Gambia nekkuñ di fiit ñooñu with or without di caméra sax ñooñu dañ pare pour rey seen bopp pour Gambia so ñooñu nekkuñ di ko fiit ñooñu su leen ñëwee sax ñoo bëgg a jënjambure ñooñu dañ bëgg a Gambia they have Gambia at heart not at like in the pocket xam nga tey it's very funny yaa ngi tabal ni ku sol suit mi man office yaa ngi dégg scandale yu nekk di happen million réer na fii lii réer na fële param ministre bi nii ministre bi nele doo dee gis ñu arrest kenn yaa ngi dégg ñu ngi accuse nit rape yaa ngi dégg loolu yëpp doo dee gis ñooñu yëpp behind bars sax ñoo dee gis ñu bëgg seen dëkk dem kanam so Gambia man ma ban façon dëkk la waaye xam naa ne daal incha allah 2026 Gambia ñu lekk mburu steak wala ñu lekk mburu xeer si Gambien si la des 2026 so lo mbugee mais ñoo lekk mburu steak mooy yàppa correct soo leen bëggee tam mënuñoo lekk mburu xeer business yi yéen ana maire yi nga xam ne ni ñoo doon yu maire yi maa ngi naan wax ne te seen bopp ñoo nekk maire tout moo tax maire bu nekk su ñëwee sa kër su la joxee saaku maalo tooga ko benn cin benn mbay dafa sa yàpp lekk ko ba suur temps bi su jëree soo duggee si but bi xoolal fu nga gën a jege ak fu gën a kore nga sànni ko fa sànnil ko nit yu am ndox yaa ngi rusaan sànnil ko nit yu nga xam ne dañ pare pour dëkk bi dem kanam ma loolu am pour wax jërëjëf.
Any of your family members that have a passport, you can start making communications. And then any other boy that is also, anybody that is here, want to bail one of the boys and you have your passport, please let's facilitate 23 passports right now and then be on a standby to have the boys bailed out. Family members, non-family members, biometric passport. Either family members or not, if you have your passport here and you want to help us, or you are a family member or at home somebody have a passport, please let's facilitate that as quick as possible. All right? So that's the information for now. Let's stay calm and then we see the next actions, right? Yes. Thank you. Like I said, if we are angry, we should be angry. Is to ensure the boys are in good shape and they are alive to have the energy to continue this fight. They will be moving out to bring the boys. Please be calm. Please be calm. Please be calm. Otherwise, the law can be used against us. Let's be within the confinement of the law. Let them bring the boys. Let's continue to show solidarity with the boys, but let's not do anything crazy. The boys will be bailed, and the next steps is in our hands, and we will work it out.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay, what are you anticipating for today?
So I think we have all heard from the spokesperson of the movement that the boys are granted bail. So I think that is what we were anticipating, and we got that.
Okay, we've also had rumors that the boys are going on a hunger strike. Is that true or not?
That is very true, because you see, protest is in so many folds. We can go to the streets and protest. We can stay in our homes and still protest. So going to the streets, it's one part of the protest. Staying in our homes and doing issues like hunger strike is another part of the protest. So the boys continue to protest in the cells to show to the people that the injustice that is bent on them should not be. So that is why they stayed on the hunger strike, and they are on the hunger strike state.
Okay, what is your message to the people out there sitting at their homes, not coming out to fight for their fellow brothers?
Injustice everywhere is a threat to justice anywhere. That I said on several occasions, and I will repeat. Today it is the boys, tomorrow it might be you. Okay, if you say, all right, maybe these boys are politically motivated and you do not want to join them, I can tell you this for free, they are not. But tomorrow something can happen to you that is injustice, and the same boys that are now in the custody that you refuse to fight for will be the same boys to come out and then fight for you. So let us be very rational. Let us be very realistic, and let us understand the dynamics. Let us understand what is good, and let us understand what national building is. We cannot all be in the streets, that is understandable. But do the little that you can do to make sure that you fight for injustice. Fight against injustice, it should be everybody's fight, including you and I, and even them that are sitting at home. Be on alert. Always be on standby. Anytime that injustice is around, be there to fight for the people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.